Question number 2, first part. Form a pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions by elimination method if it exists. First one, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we add only 1 to the denominator, find the fraction. What is the fraction? That's your question. Here two statements are given to you. From the statements I have to form a linear equation with two variables. So read the first statement carefully and form a linear equation from that. Let the fraction be x upon y. Here x I have taken as numerator and y I have taken as denominator. From the first statement, if you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction is reduces to 1. That means I have to add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1. So now you check. From the numerator you have to add 1, so plus 1. Subtract 1 from the denominator. What is your denominator? That is y. Subtract 1 means minus 1. Then the fraction is reduces to 1. 1 means we can write that 1 upon 1 also. Then do that cross multiplication. X plus 1 into 1. That will give you x plus 1. 1 into y minus 1, y minus 1. Bring that x and y one side and constant one side. Plus y come this side minus y. Plus 1 goes outside, minus 1, that is minus 2. This is equation number 1. And go through the second statement. If you add 1 to the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Add 1 to the denominator only, there is no number is added in numerator. So the second step, x upon y is your fraction. Here I added 1 in denominator, only added 1 in denominator. The fraction is reduces into 1 by 2. Then do the cross multiplication. 2 into x is 2x, which is equal to 1 into y plus 1, y plus 1. Bring that y this side, 2x minus y, which is equal to 1. Equation number 2 I marked. X minus y, which is equal to minus 2, equation number 1. Check that coefficient of x in both the equations. Here 2, here 1. Coefficient of y, both the places 1 only. So both are equal already. So I can cancel out the y variable. Here also minus, here also minus. So I have to subtract this equation. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So that I can change the sign in equation number 1. This is minus, this is what plus, this is what plus. Minus y plus y will be cancelled. This is plus 2x minus 1x, that is 1x. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1x equal to 1 plus 2, that is what? 3. So x equal to 3 I got. After getting the x value, keep it in any one equation, you will get the y value also. I am keeping in equation number 1. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. 3 minus y, which is equal to minus 2. So bring minus y, which is equal to plus 3 goes outside minus 3. So it will give you minus 5. See, both the places minus is there, so cut down. Y equal to 5, x equal to 3. What's your question? Find the fraction. So fraction, what you have taken as x upon y. So what is the x value you have? 3. What is the y value you have? 5. So 3 by 5, that is your fraction. Question number 2, second part. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So how old are Nuri and Sonu? According to the questions, two characters are there. One is Nuri, another one is Sonu. Their ages I have to find out. So I am taking as the age of Nuri is X and the age of Sonu is Y I am taking. Let, you have to write these statements. Let age of Nuri be X years. Age of Sonu be Y years. So, okay. According to the question, here two statements given to you. One is, first one, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, that means 5 years before. Previously, present, the Nuri age is X. 5 years ago means, you have tried 5 years ago. Nuri age will be what? X minus 5. 5 years ago, the Nuri age was what? X minus 5, which is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. Thrice means 3 times. As old as Sonu. At present, Sonu age is Y. 5 years before, Y minus 5. So make it, simplify the equation. X minus 5, which is equal to 3 into Y, 3Y. This is minus 15. Bring it X and Y one side. So X minus 3Y, which is equal to minus 5 goes outside, plus 5, that is minus 10. Equation number 1. According to the second statement, read that. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu after 10 years. 10 years later. So you have to write 10 years later. 10 years later. That means after 10 years. Present age of Nuri is what? X. 10 years later means X plus 10. X plus 10. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice means 2 times. As old as Sonu. Sonu's age is Y. After 10 years, that is 10 plus. Simplify this equation. X plus 10, which is equal to 2Y plus 20. How it came? 2 into Y, 2Y. 2 into 10, that is 20. Bring it X and Y one side. X minus 2Y, which is equal to 20 minus 10 is what? 10. This is equation number 2. What is equation number 1? You already have X minus 3Y, which is equal to minus 10. Now you check the coefficient of X and Y. My work is, I have to eliminate the X or Y variable. Check it. Coefficient of X is 1. Here also, in both the equations same. So we can cancel out the X variable. How you can? Second equation minus first equation. I want to subtract the first equation from second equation. So change the sign of first equation. Minus. This is plus. This is what? Plus. Why it came plus? Here already minus. So I want to change it into plus. Plus X minus X is cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1Y equal to 20. So Y equal to 20 I got. Put that Y value in equation number 1 or 2 anyway. X minus 3 into 20, that is minus 60 equal to minus 10. So X is equal to minus 60 goes outside plus 60. So your answer is 50. X is equal to 50, Y equal to 20. At last we have to write the answer. Age of Nuri. Age of Nuri is 50 years. Age of Sonu is 20 years. At last you have to mention the answer. Question number 2, third part. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number, that's your question. I have to find out the number. Here two statements given to you. First of all, I want to find out the number. So let the 2-digit number, let the number is xy. I have taken as the 2-digit number is xy. So expanded form of this number will be 10x plus y. I can write. Why I am writing like this? See, y in unit place, x in tens place. So I have written this number tens place. So 10x unit place as it is. Unit mean ones place. So y, 10x plus y, this is expanded form of xy number. So I have written, according to the question, according to the first statement, you are given with the sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits. What are the digits of this number? X and y. Sum of the digits means x plus y. Sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. Is means equal to 9. That is your first equation you have formed. The second one. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. 9 times this number. Whenever you have seen that reversing the digits means you have to take in the original number, that is 10x plus y. So according to the second statement, 9 times this number, 9 times means 9 multiplied by this number. This number means original number is 10x plus y. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. Reversing the digits means you have to reverse their digits. In a place of x you have to write y. In a place of y you have to write x. So I can write it 10y plus x. Okay, understood? 9 into 10, that is 90x. This is 9y, which is equal to 20y plus 2x. Bring it x and y one side. Bring it one side. Plus 2x comes this side, minus 2x, so 88x. And this is what? Minus 11y, which is equal to what? 0 will be there. So this equation is divisible by 11. Divide it. What will be there? 8x. This is simply y, which is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. I am going to eliminate these equations. X plus y, which is equal to 9. 8x minus y, which is equal to 0. See, check that coefficient of y in these two equations. Here 1, here also 1. So we can cancel out the y variable by adding these two equations. Why I am telling adding? Already I have alternate sign y. This is plus y, this is minus y. Directly by adding these two equations it will be cancelled. No need of changing the signs. Plus y minus y is cancelled. So 8x plus 1x, that is 9x, which is equal to 9 plus 0, that is what? 9. So multiplied by 9 from this side, divided by 9. So x is equal to what came? 1. After getting the x value, you can find out the y value very simply by putting that x value in equation number 1 or 2. Or x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So I am keeping 1 in x place, y which is equal to 9. So y equal to 8. So y equal to 8, x is equal to 1. So what you have taken as a number? xy. So your answer is x place I have to keep 1, y place I have to keep 8. So your required number is 18. Question number 2, fourth one. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. So how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received? That's your question. So here the person Meena went to a bank and withdrawal how much rupees? Rupees 2000. She asked the manager to give, cashier to give 50 rupee notes and 100 rupees notes. So how many notes she got as 50 rupees and 100 rupees? That's your question. So let the number of rupees 50 notes. How many notes are given to Meena as 50 rupees? That is x, b, x. Let the number of rupees 100 rupees notes be y I have taken as. So in the question it is already given to you. All together how many notes are given to her? X plus y, which is equal to 25 notes given to her. So x plus y which is equal to 25, that is here equation number 1. The next one, she asked the cashier to give 100 rupee notes and 50 rupee notes, and finally she withdraw rupees 2000. So I am writing number of 50 rupees notes. 50 rupees. How many number of notes are there? I don't know. I have taken as x. So 50x I have written. Like how many 100 rupees notes are there? That also I don't know. So I have taken as what? Y. Which is altogether gives you how many rupees? How much rupees? Rupees 2000. Rupees 2000. Why I have written this one? Altogether how much? 50 rupee notes. Altogether what is the amount got by 50 rupees? How much amount got by 100 rupees? So altogether when you add them, it will gives you 2000. So this equation I can divide with 50 so that it will be simplified. We can subtract or add the equation very simply. So 50 divided by x, here 2 times it goes, 2y, which is equal to, it will give you 14. This is equation number 2. Check. X plus y equal to 25. X plus 2y which is equal to 40. See? Check the coefficient of x or y anyway. Coefficient is 1, 1 both the sides of x. So, we can subtract these two equations, 1 minus 2. So, change the sign of second equation because second equation is subtracted from 1. That's why. Plus x minus x is cancelled. Plus y minus 2y. It will give you minus y, which is equal to minus, what will be there? 15. 40 minus 25, that is will be minus 15. Minus minus cancel. So y equal to 15. Keep that y value in any one equation. So I am keeping in equation number 1. Put y equal to 15 in equation number 1. So x plus 15 which is equal to 25. So x is equal to what will be there? 10. X equal to 10 and y equal to 15. Check that how many 50 rupee notes she got? 10. As well as how many 100 rupees notes she got? That is 15. So 10 plus 15 add together, it will give you what? 25.